Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of the D8, the 8-sided dice here, the kind of diamond shape. A cheap route to go would be probably to go to wish.com for their prices. I haven't bought any from them yet, but their dice are the cheapest one. Try to find these in the store like at a mall. Kind of expensive. You know, you buy a couple of $1.99 to $3.99 D6, D8s. Time you're done, you got about maybe 20 bucks in the hole. They don't even sell D100s. I haven't even seen any D like 36, D64s there. Mostly like the lower level D dice you can find there. Maybe once in a while a D20, which is like, come on, you're a card shop. You're supposed to have everything there. Cards, no. They don't really sell booster packs there. And if you're looking for like certain ones like Pokemon, Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh, where you'll find some, and the prices are ridiculous. And then they only have like tournament shops there, you know? How they used to have like a couple years ago, tournaments at like the mall type of card shops where it's like, hey, Monday nights is Yu-Gi-Oh, Tuesday nights is Pokemon, Wednesday nights is Magic the Gathering. Come on down here, bring your deck, let's battle. You know, there's prizes, you pay an entry fee and stuff. Mall card shops, no, they don't do that stuff anymore. Which is a shame, because, I mean, that was drawing in the business. You could go to dieharddice.com. They do have some pretty cool dice there, but very expensive. The metal dice look awesome, but, again, they are expensive. And you will need to have something to protect your dice. So, dice spade and a dice tray is what I recommend if you're using metal dice. Because those things will dent up where you're playing on your surface. So if you're playing on a wooden countertop, it's going to have dents in the countertop. So a lot of people say get like a notebook or some paper to put down, or use a dice tray. Also, it's metal dice, so the finish could get wound, and the other downside is your dice can also get nicked up. So not only can you nick up your surface that you're rolling dice on, but also your dice can get nicked up. While like acrylic type of dice and these plastic ones, not that much damage. So yeah, I picked this up at Target. $3, which, you know, $3 is not a bad price for getting eight-sided dice. I mean, like I said, at the mall, you'd be paying about almost $3 for just one. Possibly, if you find someone good that would be like, well, you know, if you buy two, I'll give you a discount. So it's like paying the price for one for get two, or like you buy two, and we'll give you the price for like buying two. You know, instead of like charging you $6, it might charge you like, you know, $5 or $4. You know, but yeah, let's open it up. Now it's kind of weird that you get a couple different dice in here. You got almost two reds in here, although this one's a little bit lighter shade red. An orange, a yellow, a white, a purple, a blue, and a green. But like I said, these two look almost like red. Actually, I believe those two. Now, this one is a light red, so I'm going to call it a pink, even though it's not, you know, actually pink color. For example, you know, pink, it's not a pink color, but this one is a lot more pinker than it is red and orange. So, yeah. How do they roll? Let's open them up and find out. 8, 4, 3. Just to make sure that shows up a candle 6. 1, 4, 6, 2. So they roll pretty good, I'll say. Definitely a good roll. Now, are these balanced? I'm not really sure if they're truly balanced dice, because there could be a little bit imperfection, and I do feel that some of these are a little off.